Hi friends. Now let us check out what has happened in the Bank Nifty in the past week. As I had mentioned, very with a very positive mindset that I was very firm that Bank Nifty should, if at all a fall comes, Bank Nifty should be able to hold the levels of 32,000 and 32,000, 31,800 between levels. This should act as a strong support and. As we can clearly see on the charts that it happened so that even after giving a huge gap down with with good volumes, Bank Nifty managed to hold the 32,000 levels, and from there it has clearly it bounced back. The reason I had uh, marked this level is because this level has is a should act as a good strong support is because this is the level exact level where Bank Nifty had made a pre-COVID top, and from where it had fallen. It was kind of a double top formation before the COVID fall, and from there it fell, and then after the COVID, when it started rallying again, it took a resistance once here, a small resistance. It retraced a little bit and then gave a breakout with good volumes. Then it made a fresh new highs, retested the same zone, took some halt here, and then again started a new rally, making fresh lifetime highs. So after entering the downward channel again, when after making the fresh highs, it started coming down. Uh, this was the first point where it should where Bank Nifty can take a very strong support. This area should act as a demand zone until it manages it, until for some reason it closes and goes below this level on a weekly basis. Same thing we can confirm on the weekly charts as well on the Bank Nifty. On the Bank Nifty on the weekly charts, we can see that clearly it has held that this level and has closed with a good bullish candle. However, it has not managed to cross the. It did manage to cross the first resistance zone, but somehow did not manage to give a good closing about the second resistance zone, which was around 35,500, 600 levels. Same thing. I mean, on the monthly chart, still we have Bank Nifty showing us some red candle, and we still need to see for the next 2 weeks that how Bank Nifty is closing and how the monthly candle ends. But so far on the daily charts and the weekly charts, it is trying to show us the positive strength. So if at all the rally continues, then the next hurdle again remains the same, which is 35,600, and between 35,850 and 36,100. I would call this as a very, very strong, crucial zone, because here we can see that Bank Nifty had previously taken good support 2 to 3 times and tried to bounce back, and then finally it failed out and gave a breakdown. So yeah, we need to watch out if at all Bank Nifty is able to hold above 36,000 levels, 36,000, 36,100 levels on a weekly basis, then we can see a further rally upwards, and there the resistance levels could be 36,800 and then 37,200 to 400 levels. Uh, but to be honest, where we stand right now, Bank Nifty is also on a make or break levels like we saw in Nifty, because there is an immediate resistance around 35,000 500 odd levels, and then followed by a strong resistance at 35,000 850 to 36,000 levels, which should act. I mean, we need to clear out for a further rally. Now, from here, there are two chances: either Bank Nifty continues its bullish trend, bullish momentum which has tried to gain in last week, and give a breakout above this zones that we just discussed, or Bank Nifty can go back and test the demand zone of 32,000 and 31,800 levels, and from there it can bounce back again if there are no major negative news from the world across, like Russia, America, all the complications which are going on. So I will be personally looking out, watching out Bank Nifty's levels on both the sides, and see how it goes out, and breakout on either direction will decide the further direction of the Bank Nifty. So let us keep the fingers crossed and see how things unroll in the coming week. Thank you.